Hi, I'm Yaku from SJW Smart Homes, and we're back here at the client's home where we did the Seek Energy install last year to see how it was coping and how the system performed. To sum up the maintenance of this system in the last 12 months, a short word, zero. We had one or two complimentary call-outs where we just came, talked to the owner, double-checked all the connections on the site, and absolutely no problems. Firmware updates for the system was absolutely smoothly. We once phoned the owner, told them, listen, we're gonna run an update. You might see the lights dimmed, and we did the firmware update remotely, and the owner told us there wasn't even a flickering on the lights. So nothing changed, and the system is still working perfectly. Because we did the ICO 650 panels here, our solar production and what we predicted the panels would do was absolutely spot on. Our battery capacity for this site was also spot on. Our future maintenance schedule for this site will be once, maybe twice a year. We come out, we'll double check all our connections. We open the gateway, we check our connections, and for the panels, we'll see if there's any bird residue on the panels and a good thorough clean. Since we did the install in the last 12 months, the client has decided to add 2 extra geysers to his home. And even with the additional electricity needed, the system was able to cope with it. In the last 12 months, we had maybe 1 or 2 grid outages where something went wrong in the neighborhood, and the owner was able to still power everything in his house. Underfloor heating, geysers, the system worked absolutely perfectly. If anyone was considering a Seek Energy install or something in this size, a 12 kilowatt inverter, 24 kilowatt hour battery backup, we would recommend Seek Energy. It's a very nice install, very compact. In a small room like this, there's even still space available. You can walk, put something down here, nothing is cluttered. It's an absolutely amazing system. We're here with Emil with his Seek Energy system that was installed just over a year ago. Emil, how was your electricity bill compared to before and after the install?
Before the install, we used to use about 10,000 Rand a month, and now for the past 12 months we've used, or in total, 10,000 Rand additional electricity which we paid for. So that's a huge savings for us in the past 12 months.
Has your day-to-day lifestyle needed any changes to compromise with the system, or was the system just enough?
No, we didn't make any changes to our lifestyle. We continued as before. We're not even aware if the grid is off. We are unaware of it, nothing dims or anything like that. We're just seamlessly going on with our lives.
Amazing. Okay, Emil, how was your personal feedback using the app? Is it user-friendly to use? Is it easy to understand? What would you say?
The app is user-friendly, very easy to understand, and it gives you a daily breakdown, or you can choose if you want monthly breakdowns. It will give you a very easy overview of the system, and the real-time info on the system is extremely important if you need to know exactly now what's going on.
How did the system perform through winter and summer for the last 12 months?
Seamless. There's no difference between our lifestyles or anything like that, so you don't pick up any differences in summer or winter. We just continue with our lives.
So you would say the system's sizing was spot on?
Yes. I think the panels especially produce quite a bit of energy for us during the day usage as well. Awesome. In winter we use the additional energy for underfloor heating, and in summer it's for air conditioning and swimming pools.
So Emil, now with the system running a year, how did you find the after-sales service?
Perfect. Really, after-sales service was extremely quick. If there was a query regarding the app or how to use anything, Yaku gave me as much information as he could, and we really phone call or WhatsApp call away. and from Harrods itself as well, if there was any issue or should be, there's always a backup system.
If you could choose again, would you make the swap to go solar sooner?
Yes, definitely. We made the switch long ago.